can fuck around and fall.
What's up, Monae Mod? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this installed. This hair is by Wig Queen. I did not record the initial unboxing review. I just recorded myself, you know, just when it's installed. This was a 12-inch 5x5. Was it 12 inch? This was a 10-inch lace closure wig, and it's 5x5, and it's 150 density. And I got this off AliExpress, and I will be sure to link to this exact wig down below. Now, this wig wasn't this short. I did customize it, cut it, bleach and pluck the knots and all that to my liking. So, well, I didn't record myself bleaching and plucking the knots because I already have a lot of videos like that. So, it will be linked in one of them corners, and y'all can just check that out. This wig was not this short, so I think I did something. The cut is not professional. It's not the best. It's not perfect, but it's something, and I do think it's okay. If you want to see how I got this cute install, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for post notifications to be notified every time I post. Now, a lot of y'all just watch me to watch me. Like, what's the deal today? Like, you watching me, obviously you like what I do, you liking what my videos is about, so you might as well subscribe so you can see more videos like that. Makes sense, don't it? Don't it? So y'all can just subscribe. I'll wait. You subscribed yet? Okay. So this wig is a 5x5 10-inch lace closure from Wig Queen. So prior to me installing this wig, I already bleached it, plucked the knots, and cut the wig to my liking. Okay, so first things first, I'm about to go in with some Got2b glue gel and gel my edges back. The last thing I want this lace glue to do is rip my edges out. So I had to go in with some glue to gel them back. Before I go ahead and put the cap on, I like to oil my scalp. This oil, man, this oil is one of a kind. When I tell you my hair grew so much from this oil, like I'm putting y'all on right here. Go get y'all some Trash World hair growth stimulator. It's gonna do y'all what it needs to do. I'm telling y'all. But I like to oil my scalp before I put the cap on, because I like to wear my braids for like 3 to 4 months. So that's enough time, or that's well over enough time that I need to be, you know, oiling my scalp. And I do oil my scalp while I do have my wig on. I just peel it back from the I just pull it up from the back and just oil my scalp like every other week or so. So I'm about to put this cap on my head. And in my opinion, I like getting like the darker caps because they match my skin color and it prevents me from having to go in with the makeup and all that. And it's just a lot. Do this, and I promise you, you only have to go in with no makeup. But anyway, I'm stretching out the cap so I can see my hairline through the cap. And I'm trying this new technique about like when you put the lace glue to hold down the cap instead of the Got To Be Glue freeze spray. And y'all, when I tell you this worked 10 times better, like what? Who would have thought? Like what? Come on now. This technique is so much better than the actual Got To Be Glue freeze spray, because the Got To Be Glue freeze spray takes so much long to dry. This, you put it on, slap it, put the popsicle stick on there, and baby, it's dry in like 4 seconds. Do this, I promise y'all, it's gonna be fair. So now that my cap is fully dried, I'm about to go. I should have did this at first, but you know, I wasn't thinking. So I'm cutting the ears out, and it's just gonna help me cut the lace off better and, you know, get a better feel for it. So now I'm actually cutting the lace off and, you know, cutting it off to my hairline. So with the back of the cap, the extra pieces, I just tie it up and tuck it in. I don't like to cut it because sometimes when you cut it, it just do too much. So I like just to tie it. As I mentioned before, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. And it comes with combs. It came with 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 on the back. And it came with a elastic band, and the elastic band, child, that helped me out so good, because even though this is a small cap on the wig, like it made the wig 10 times more snug. So now I'm just trying on the wig to make sure it's positioned right and everything is how I like it. So now I'm about to go in with some alcohol and a cotton ball just to clean off my hairline and get a clean surface before I start laying the glue down. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to go in with some lace glue. This lace glue is called Boho Active. I've never used this before. I just wanted to try it out. And I believe I applied about 5 layers of this glue. I think that's the max layers that you can apply to this glue. I did 5 layers because it's supposed to get 80 degrees this week, you know, on my prime day. What? May 21st. I'm saying, I'm just... And also I have to work, and I'll be sweating bullets at work, so I just want to make sure that my lace is secured and it's gonna be laid and slayed at all times. And yeah. So now I'm about to start applying this lace to the glue. And I'm just going to go ahead with my ragtail comb and comb in the back motion to further get that melt that I need. And I know y'all see that white glue or the white residue from the glue. And that's okay because, that's okay in my opinion because it's still laid down. It's just I had to go in with some makeup and correct it. So now I'm just parting out some edges, and once I'm done parting out the edges, I'm just going to go ahead with my elastic band for about 20-25 minutes just to get that further melt. So while the elastic band is sitting on my head, I like to go in with some type of heat protecting spray and hot comb the hair to make sure the hair isn't getting heat damage from all the heat that I put on the hair. And prior to this, I did go in with a slick stick and hot comb it. That's why you don't see that many flyaways. So I would have gone ahead and did that, but I didn't want to put too much slick stick on the hair and cause it to be stiff. So now I'm about to take off this elastic band. Then I'm about to go in with some scissors and cut the lace into 2 sections. Now I'm about to go in with an eyebrow razor and cut off the lace to help it be more natural because it's not going to be a straight line. It's going to be like jagged lines. And our natural hairline isn't straight across anyway, so this makes the most sense to me. So now I'm about to go in with some Got To Be Glue Free Spray. Just to melt my lace a little because it was having that residue from the glue. The freeze spray just helped it look more natural and blended it in just a little more. And, you know, a little more extra security never hurts. So now I'm about to just go ahead and pull out my edges. I did 2 swoops, 1 on each side.
Who's your fighter?
Likey inspired. Fight.
I don't think I showed it, but off camera I did go ahead and hot comb my edges to the front so it can train them. So now I'm just about to go ahead with some Got To Be glue gel and swoop my edges. So now I tie my hair up with a satin scarf, and I'm just going in with the hot combs just to hot comb my hair a little bit more. So now I'm going in with the smallest flat irons I have and just bumping the ends to make it look more cute, in my opinion. So now I'm just taking off the scarf. And do you see that milk? Because I want to know. So I like a little elevation in my hair, and I just went ahead with some Got To Be glue free spray and just sprayed the front, and like, I don't know how to explain it, but y'all see it, like a little elevation in the front, then just the hair just combs over it. Y'all know, I know what I'm talking about. I just don't know how to word it, but y'all see it. It's cute. I did my thing, and that's all I know. So this basically concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. I really enjoyed filming it. It made me feel like so good about myself, because like, y'all, when y'all get your hair done, don't y'all be feeling yourself? Like, I don't know if it's just me or just me, but y'all, I was feeling like the woman, Well, anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for post notifications to never miss an upload. And it's Monae Mob or no mob, so get with it or get lost, and that's on everything, and that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Anyways, follow me on Instagram at Kyla. Follow me on Instagram at IM.Kyla, and I'm on Snapchat at Kyla_Monae. That's KYLA_MONAE.